Morning everyone. In the last class we have seen how to find probability. And what is probability? The number of favorable outcomes upon total number of possible outcomes. So we have seen only first question on that day. So today we are going to solve the further questions of this exercise 3.4. Question number 2. There are 7 balls in a can with numbers from 1 to 7 marked on each of them. You can see that a one can is there and how many balls are there? Total 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And numbers are marked from 1 to 7. Means this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On each 7 balls here number marks are given 1 to 7. So first question is here given that first you have to write out of 7 balls. One ball can be drawn in 7 ways. It means if you want to take the ball, any ball if you take, the ball will come with numbers only. If you take any ball, ball can become as second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Any ball can be drawn here. So which are the possible outcomes here? So total number of events. You can see that out of 7 balls, one can be drawn in how many ways? 7 ways. So total number of events or the possible outcomes. Which are the possible outcomes? If you take any ball, how many balls are there? Total 7 balls. So after this 7 balls, any 7 balls will, any of the ball will number came here. So total number of possible outcome is equal to 7. First question asks that what is the probability of ball with number 5 here? We have to find the probability of drawing ball with number 5. Means we have to see if we draw a ball from that cane, the ball which will come with the number 5 written on that. So the ball with number 5 can be obtained on only in one way. Here you can see that in each ball numbers are written different. Means this is 5, 6, 7. Only one ball is there with number 5. So which are the possible ways to draw? Only one way. So the number of favorable outcome here is only 1. And which are the possible outcomes? Total ball are 7. So these are the possible outcomes here. Now out of 7 ball, only one ball is there with number 5. So the number of favorable outcome is only 1. So the probability of drawing a ball with number 5 is equal to 1 here. It will be ball. So the probability is 1 by 7. Second one, what is the probability of drawing ball with number 7? Again you can see that out of 7 balls, each ball have unique different number. So only on one ball 7 number is written. So again, what is the probability to draw a ball with number 7? Only 1. And total balls are there 7 balls. So the required probability, again you can see that here the number of favorable outcomes or the ball with number 7 is how many? 1. And number of possible outcomes means how many balls are there? Total 7. So we can draw a ball with number 7. It will be 1 upon 7. Now question number 3. A box contains socks of 2 colors, black and white. I have picked out a white socks. I pick out one more with my eyes closed. What is the probability that I will make a pair? For making a pair, you can see that he has taken, if I have taken on picked out a white socks, and for if I want to make a pair, and pair will make of same color only. So what is the probability that I will, if I pick out one more with my eye closed, the socks will be only of white only. So given that box has pair of socks of 2 colors, which is black and white, only 2 are there. One is of black color and second one is of white color. So there are 2 cases. How many cases are there? 2 cases. One is black, second is white. So the number of favorable outcome, it means here I have taken already white socks, and if I want to make a pair, which color socks I want? Again white only. For making a pair I need white socks. So what is the probability that if I take with my eye closed, the white socks will come? So the number of favorable outcomes will be 1. Why 1? Because here only one white socks is there. So if we take any one, it will be as white. So the number of possible outcomes. Number of total possible outcomes means how many socks are there? Black and white means 2. Out of this 2 only, one will be white. So the total number of possible outcome is 2, which is black and white. So the probability of pairing the socks. And we know that probability means number of favorable outcomes upon number of possible outcomes. So favorable outcomes means the socks which we want is white socks and it is only 1. So that will be 1 upon 2. It means after 2 socks, the probability of pairing the socks with white will be 1. The probability is 1 upon 2. Now next question, question number 4. A coin is flipped to decide which team starts the game. What is the probability that your team will start? You can see that they toss a coin and that will decide that which team start the game. And what is the probability that our team will start? So if you take head, so what is the probability that head will come? And if you take tail, what is the probability that tail will come, so that we can start our game? So we know that a coin has how many faces? Head or tail? Out of this, any of the face will come if you flip a coin. So one can choose either head or tail, and you can choose either head or tail for which you want to start your game team wise. Therefore the number of favorable outcomes. Which is the favorable outcomes? 1. Head or tail. If you choose head for your team, so it will be head, or if you choose tail for your team, that will be tail, which is favorable. And what is the total outcomes here? Total possible outcomes? 2. Head or tail, both. So probability of any outcome, it means if you choose head for your team and if you choose tail for your team, so probability means number of favorable outcomes upon number of possible outcomes. So number of favorable outcomes will be 1 and number of possible outcomes means both head and tail. So if you choose head, the probability is 1 upon 2, and if you choose tail, then also it will be 1 upon 2 only. Because if you choose head, head will come on one time, and if you choose tail, it will be also that out of head and tail, tail will come once time. So probability for both head and tail is 1 upon 2. Now question number 5. Throw a die 102 times and record the data. Find the number of times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 occur. We have to throw a die how many times? 102 times. After that we have to record the data, that which number will come how many number of times. And we have to see that how many times this 1 to 6 number occur. We know that die has how many faces? Total 6 faces, and after this if you throw a die, any of the 6 faces will come here. So we have to see that how many times the number occur here. It is not given that we have to find which number occurs how many number of time. We have to find the probability for each one of this, all 6 number. So we have to see the like here. So we will divide 102 by 6. If you divide 102 by 6, you will get 17 times. It means each number will occur, means 1 also occurs 17 times, 2 also 17 times, 3 also 17 times. Here we have seen that all the numbers occur how many number of times? Total 17 times. Each number will occur 17 times, so that you will, if you throw a dice 102 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all will get 17 times, equal number of times. Now the last question of our exercise and chapter, toss a coin 5 times and find the number of times head and tail. These questions you can do practically at your home also, so that you can understand this probability easily. You have to toss a coin how many times? 5 times, and you have to see that out of 5 times how many number of times your head came and how many number of times tails came. So you can see that if we toss a 5 times the coin, number of time head and tail can come be as, if you toss 5 times, it may be possibility that starting 3 times you can get head and then 2 times tail, or 2 times head or 3 times tail. There are different possibility for occurring number of heads and tails. So this chapter, this exercise, we have seen the probability or the possibility or the chance for occurring any events to occur. I hope you have understood all this question. So So now we have completed our chapter. We will meet soon on the next of our class with our new chapter.